What's up, guys? I recently installed the B2 Fabrication Performance Muffler in the aggressive size on my F-150 with the Coyote. It comes in 3 different sizes, moderate, aggressive, and very aggressive, which is basically just a muffler delete. The installation process was pretty straightforward. You basically remove the entire exhaust system after the catalytic converter. The only difficult part was getting the stock muffler out of the pipes coming from the catalytic converter. There's this little locking mechanism that you kind of have to twist and finagle to get it out of there. Once the whole thing was taken out, I used a Sawzall to cut the muffler off, and here's a size comparison of the two. Pretty big difference, right? It was a bit of a tight fit getting the new muffler in. I had to use some pliers to bend back the metal, but no issues. Now let's hear what it sounds like. Overall, I am really happy with how this came out. It's a nice rumble without being obnoxious. There's a little bit of drone on the highway at speeds around 72 miles an hour, which you'll hear in a second. Honestly, if you're looking for that deep V8 rumble without waking up the dead, you really can't go wrong for $300. Thanks for watching.